Hello student, this is Haley from Londoners. Nice to see you again. This is our new colleague, Joyce.
Hi, my name is Joyce, and today we are going to be looking through your tribe
in South Bermondsey. And so this residence just built in 2024 is a brand new building. So we're gonna have it in September. So let's go check it out.
This looks like it's out of a Next magazine catalogue. If you know, you know. I'm obsessed with the decor. What do you think?
I like it. I like it. And
what would be if you had to choose one spot? Where would you sit?
I would sit here. It's a nice one. I can lie down there.
I don't know.
I think
I'm too indecisive. I'm too indecisive to pick. I'll try out all the chairs. I don't think I would have like one designated spot, but.
Is it good for studying?
And here we've got the study room. This is so cool. So you can study here. It's a nice little quiet space. So you've got that privacy here with the door as well. You can close the door. You can lock it so you don't have to worry about anyone disturbing you. Guys, it looks absolutely amazing. So this is the kitchen. Anyone is able to use it. This would be like my dream kitchen. And this is supposed to be student accommodation. This is crazy. And of course, we've got a nice little oven there. Oh my God, guys, there's literally a dishwasher. So you don't have to worry about washing your dishes. Love that. Then again, it's got so much storage here to put all of your stuff. You don't have to worry about being entertained whilst you're cooking. Then you can eat a nice little meal here with your friends. That is so cute. Yeah, so as you can see, we've got the top equipment here. Yeah, this is great. We love it. So you can have a little run there. And of course, we've got these lovely windows, which brings a lot of light in here.
And I feel like it's quite airy because the AC.
Yes, so let's move on to the other areas. This is just currently temporary, but we are going to change it into a VR room. So that's super cool. So if you don't have a VR at home, or have you ever tried a VR?
I did. It was really cool.
My little brother has one. He's on it all the time. He literally lives on his VR. I've tried it a couple of times and I love it. I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of scary, but I think it's really cool.
It's really cool, and can you enjoy here with your friend, two gadgets, play together.
I love this. And look, these little palm trees here really bring a really good vibe, which I love.
Oh wow, what a nice terrace.
This looks so good.
Yeah. See, I think, do you know what's that?
The shards?
Yes, the shards stadium view, and that side, that's Canary Wharf.
Yeah, so that is so cool. Seeing areas, we've got tables here. And as you can see, you have the view of the whole of London.
Yeah, the London Eye, the Shard, CT, and Canary Wharf. It's amazing, huh?
It's great.
Love it.
You can sit here with your friends, have a little study break, a little chat, a little beer. You can play games here. I really love this.
I love this. I want to book it now.
Me too. Okay, so let's go on to the other areas of the accommodation. Now we're going to show you the superior ensuite room, and this is truly amazing.
Yeah.
So as you turn here, it's like this cute little mirror if you ever want to see yourself whenever you're getting ready before you leave the house. And then this is a nice wardrobe. Our bags are in there. So you can put your coat hangers here, and there's also space above here to put whatever you want. Do you want to show them the bathroom?
Yes, so also the bathroom, as we can see here, is quite spacious. Accessible bath. It's so amazing, isn't it? Huh?
Yeah, it's so nice. It's so spacious. This is so cute. I love the decoration that we've done here. So this is a double bed, so you've got lots of space. We love this area here, so you can put all your decorations on here. You can put, for example, pictures of your family and friends. You can put little posters on here. Loads of storage space. There's also space underneath here, so you can put whatever you want, extra storage space. And then look at these huge windows. I'm absolutely in love.
Yeah, so I love these two windows. Like the two sides of the window, you can have the city view here. But how amazing that I can imagine myself every morning, open the window, like get some glimpse of the sun. How nice it is in London. Also here, the desk.
It's so spacious. We've got this large bookshelf where you can put books, more of your accessories, decoration, to add that nice little extra touch. And this cute little basket here. And then of course it does come with a chair as well, so you don't have to worry about buying any extra equipment. And then again, the extra wardrobe here, so 2 separate wardrobes for extra space. Okay guys, so now we're going to show you the classic ensuite. Okay, so this is the bathroom. It's right on your left when you come into the room. So as you can see, everything is super nice and shiny, which I really love. You've got this lovely little rack here to put your towel. Then it comes with a nice little round sink. It has so much space as well. And then this, guys, this is bigger than my shower at home. So I think I'm going to be moving in, to be honest. But yes, this is the shower. It's super spacious, which I love. And then it has these sliding doors, which makes it super easy to open and close. So you don't have to worry about any water getting on the floor here. And then again, you've got this nice large mirror here so you can see your outfits, your nice little uni outfits when you go to your lectures, which I love. And then of course, you've got these double doors wardrobe.
Wow, this is big.
It is big.
It's a big wardrobe.
And then of course, we've got some nice space up here as well. You can put some of your books, your bags, whatever you need for uni, your laptop. You know when you're in bed and you can't be bothered to stand up to go turn off the light? You have the light switch right here. So for all the lazy people, we've got you. And this hole here, I think is to put your
cables.
Yeah, your cables. I really love that, guys, because whenever I have loads of electronics, it gets all tangled and messy. So this is a really good way to keep all of your wires nice and organized. And guys, look down here. This is so cool. So the socket here, it has a USB port and it also has a USB-C port. So you don't have to worry about having a plug. You can just put the wire straight in there. So that's super handy.
This is a shared kitchen for the ensuite room. So there will be 10 rooms in this cluster. Like each of you will have your own cabinet to store your stuff. And a long dining table you can enjoy with your flatmates. Cooking station, 2 big ovens, brand new. Also here you can see the fridge and the freezer. So fridge on the top, freezer down here.